How to use RedBubble. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use RedBubble for beginners. So after you go to redbubble.com and create a new account, now you want to know how to use it. So first thing, if you want to upload a design, all what you have to do is go here to this icon and click sell your art here, and now click add new work. And if you want to change your name or your email or your password or anything from settings, just go here and go to account settings, and here you can change your profile picture, your cover, your anything. You will find it just in here. And if you want to change your password, you will find it here. If you want to edit your payment details, you will find it here. And also if you want to delete your account, you can go here and delete it. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.